So why just corporates? Even individuals are not spared, because this rate hike has not only hit corporate plans but also plans of those who've been thinking of buying or building a home. Home loan rates are up as much as 33% up in terms of EMIs from just 5 years ago.
If you're looking to take a home loan or already have one, you need to rework your numbers. NDTV learns that most banks are looking to hike home loan rates, and it's not just those planning to take a new loan who should worry. Existing borrowers on floating rates will also feel the pinch. So if you had taken a loan of 20 lakh rupees for 20 years on a floating rate in 2003, when the rate was 7%, you would see your EMI swell to over 19,900 rupees at the current rate of 10.5%. And if interest rates are hiked by 0.5%, you should get ready to pay over 20,000 rupees a month, which means your monthly payments have gone up by 33%. So what is the way out of this debt trap?
Is to reduce your borrowing to the extent possible. I think you must use the surplus cash to repay your loans so that your EMIs can be kept in check.
But this does not mean that fixed rate loans are any better, because they come with a 2% premium over floating rates, which is steep. Consumers on their part can ensure that they are not charged rates higher than rates offered for new loans. Banks on the other hand could offer longer tenures to younger home buyers.
Bank will largely look from the customer perspective on his ability to pay before extending that tenor, retirement age, correct, whether you'll have flow of income. So they're looking at taking up to the maximum eligible tenor for a customer.
These are tough times if you want to buy a house, and more so if you want to take a loan for it. So if you're planning to take a new loan, then you should consider keeping a margin for higher EMIs in the future. And if you've already taken a loan, then it will be worthwhile to review your plan every 6 months. In Mumbai, Haris Usman for NDTV.